Hello everyone, my name is Nisni Nadia Atira Dwizada with the last study number 007. Today, I will analyze intercultural communication theme in Disney Pixar's Coco. This movie beautifully highlights Mexican culture. Let's check it out! Here is the table of content and divide into 9 key areas. The first is introduction, culture identity, communication style, misunderstanding, role of tradition, power dynamics, solution for better communication, miscommunication consequences, and the last is Dia de los Muertos significance. Introduction. Disney Pixar's Coco 20 and 70 is an animated feature film directed by Lee Unkrich and co-directed by Adrian Molina. It is a heartwarming and visually stunning story that celebrates Mexican culture, tradition, and the importance of family. Cultural identity. Coco vividly celebrates Mexican tradition, especially Dia de los Muertos, which is central to the story. Through this cultural lens, the film shows how important family bonds and identity. The vibrant visual and heartfelt emphasize the richness of Mexican heritage. Family expectations. Family strictly values tradition and forcing a ban on music due to their past. Miguel, however, dreams of becoming a musician, leading to a generational clash between family loyalty and personal aspiration. This struggle beautifully portrays the tension of preserving tradition. Individualism versus collectivism. Miguel's desire to follow his passion represents individualism, while his family's focus on unity and tradition reflect collectivism. This conflict is heightened when Miguel defies his family to pursue his dream. Communication styles in Coco play a significant role in the family conflict. Verbally, Miguel's family uses strict and authoritative language to impose rules. Non-verbally, disapproving looks and gestures create tension. Misunderstanding is central to the story. Miguel doesn't fully grasp why music is forbidden, and his family fails to understand his passion. This lack of clarity and empathy fuels rebellion and miscommunication, driving the plot forward. Role of tradition. Tradition like the ofrenda and remembering ancestors are vital in maintaining family bonds in Coco. However, this custom also creates conflict for Miguel, who feels constrained by rigid expectations. The film asks whether tradition can adapt to changing times. Power dynamics. Abuelita, the family matriarch, wields significant power and enforces the no music rule, which makes Miguel feel unheard and stifled. This dynamic reflects to the hierarchical nature of family structure and the challenges younger generation. Cultural symbols. Key symbols like Miguel's guitar and the marigold braid carry deep cultural meaning. The guitar represents his passion and identity, while the marigold braid symbolizes the connection between the living and the dead, underscoring the movie's theme of family and heritage. Miscommunication consequences. Miscommunication leads Miguel to believe that Ernesto de la Cruz is his ancestor, propelling him into a series of mistaken actions. This misunderstanding shows how assumption, when felt unchecked, can lead to bigger conflict and challenges. Discovering the truth. Miguel's discovery of Hector's true story is a pivotal moment in the film. Through open communication, Miguel learns the truth about his family's past, showing the importance of listening and understanding in resolving conflicts. Role of forgiveness. Forgiveness is central to Coco. Mama Imelda and Hector's reconciliation show how understanding and compassion can heal years of pain and misunderstanding, strengthening family unity. Emotional connection. Miguel's heartfelt performance of Remember Me for Mama Coco reaffirms the power of emotional connection in preserving family bonds and cultural identity. This moment serves as the emotional climax of the movie. importance of storytelling. Storytelling is portrayed as a vital means of passing down culture, heritage, and family values. By sharing stories, the family ensures their tradition and history remain alive across generations. Overcoming bias. Miguel's family overcomes their bias against music, ultimately recognizing it as a meaningful way to celebrate their heritage and connect with one another. This transformation highlights the importance of open-mindedness. Solution: balancing tradition. The family learns to embrace change while respecting their heritage, demonstrating the importance of balancing tradition with modernity. This flexibility allows Miguel to follow his passion without losing the essence of their culture. Dia de los Muertos significance. Dia de los Muertos serves a powerful metaphor for intercultural understanding, reminding us to honor and celebrate our roots. The holiday's theme of remembrance and connection resonates throughout Coco. Thank you everyone for listening. Let's continue to celebrate stories that teach us empathy and understanding. Muchas gracias. See you.